Good morning and good afternoon and good evening, depending on wherever you're watching me. My name still remains Comrade Tony Mbata. I want to talk on this living history for junior secondary school, published by three authors from Yoruba, approved by Minister for Education, and gave to junior secondary school for them to read as a history book. It took Babangida 55 good years, 50 something years, to re-narrate the story of 1966 coup, which some people were saying it was an Igbo coup. 50 something years. A primate, somebody that called himself a prophet or a god of men, they're not, I call them god of men. One so primate that the Igbos are the problem of this country because he's playing politics, he needs some money and looking for people to subscribe to his channel. Say he's a prophet. Those of them that are where the power from demon will tell you that Igbos are the problem of this country and say they cannot rule. Shame on him. A minister for education allows such a book for junior secondary school where history was removed in Nigerian curriculum, our school curriculum, and later put back. A book published where all the race, their culture was inside that book and published for secondary school students to use, both the children of the Igbos and others, and Igbo race was removed. Minister for Education, why are you people doing this? What kind of hatred is this? We are not afraid. Some set of people have said a lot of things. The Igbos are this, the Igbos are this, they love money. See, let me tell you what is happening is that you know that this person is better than you. What you have to do is to learn from that person. All these things people are doing cannot help this country. Cannot help this country. You try to bring this person here and this person here and you jam them together so Nigeria will still be in trouble. It's scheming. It's scheming. Look at all the seaport jam-packed into one set of place or one region. Decentralized economy, no, because you think today you are in power. No champion reign forever. No international airport in Igbo land. No seaport. You think, let us come here. Go to your place. And you are doing all manner of things. Go and withdraw that book. Shame on you, Minister for Education. Shame on you. Because you have shown who you are. And people that are supporting you. You are paymasters. The kind of politics that Bola Ahmed Tinubu have introduced to Nigerian politics of hatred, ethnicity. He has finished the Yorubas. Before, you know, Yorubas are the people that love education. Today, what do you know them for? Abodo, Owoda, Abodo, carry ballot bus. And people think that Abodo is the reigning thing. But I know that many Yoruba brothers, particularly Apenifere, will not like that book. I know that one. I'm not saying it to saying sake. But some idiot like Minister for Education will allow such a book to be in circulation. You must withdraw that book. It's a must. You should withdraw it. National Assembly, you will not see it. Akpabio, Ajin Zakalo, people will not see that book. They want to destroy this country. And tomorrow they say somebody is destroying it. Share this and let us know your own comment. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mazi Tony Mbata, or go to my Facebook, Chima Mbata, and let us share. Or you go to my TikTok, Comrade Tony Mbata. Let us share your own opinion whether this book is supposed to be in circulation or not. Thank you and God bless you.